In this video, I'll show you how to use the very powerful Spot tool in Lightroom. So obviously the first thing you want to do is open up Lightroom and go to your desired photo. The next thing you want to do is hover over to the right hand side where you'll see the tool palette, and on the second one this is the Spot tool. So you want to go ahead and click that, and then you can choose the selected radius of the Spot tool that you'd like to use. You can also use the scroll wheel of your mouse or trackpad to make it larger or smaller. So for this one, I'm firstly just going to remove some of these white dots on the photo. So I'll zoom in here, I'll just scroll down a little bit, click on the Spot tool again, make it a little bit smaller, and then all I'm simply going to do is just do a single click. Now Lightroom's automatically going to generate a part of the photo that it thinks will try and remove those spots. Generally it does a good job. If not, you can just simply move it, and that's done pretty well. So now I can go ahead and click done, and as you can see, those little white flowers have disappeared there. Now also I am going to actually remove my girlfriend from this photo, just as an example. Sorry babe. So again, I'll go to the Spot tool. You can actually do strokes with the Spot tool, so it's not only for strokes, it can be for people, cars, trees, and so on. So I'm going to click and do a single click and hold it and just scroll down over here, and Lightroom will automatically generate a part of the photo. So I'll go ahead and click done, and I'll scroll out, and as you can tell, you can't really see where it's generated the Spot tool from the image. And if no one pointed it out to you, you couldn't really tell that that's been doctored at all. So that's a really simple way of how to use the Spot tool. If this has been helpful, please hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you all in the next one.